Hey guys, how you doing? This is Becca. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm having a nice, healthy, big salad. It's mostly vegetables, believe me, and Kroger's had some popcorn chicken, so it's mostly that with a little bit of cheese, a little bit of baked onions, onion chips, and beetroot chips, and then some ranch. Uh, but yes, and then I have my water. So yes, welcome back, my subscribers and followers, and welcome my new ones. Um, if you haven't yet subscribed, follow me and whatever, please do so, and make sure that all your notifications are turned on. That way, you don't miss an upload or our video or anything from me. Uh, wait, bugs. These just like to pee me off. Goodness. Okay, you know what? I'll be right back. You know when to fast forward. I'll be right back. Ugh. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Okay, I had a little bit of trouble breathing. I've been really stressed out. We lost another cat. Um, and behind us is the neighbors, some neighbors that we have that are very irresponsible with their pets. And one of their pets is a very mean dog, a pit bull or a pit dog. And they, it was loose last night. And the cat and one of the cats we called Mama was on her way home here, but she didn't reach, in the back. She was coming from the front, um, instead of usually the back where she usually does. She usually comes home from the back, but she was coming home from the front. Bumped into the dog, and the dog killed her. We didn't know because we didn't hear anything and we couldn't see anything. My mom did see the dog because of his collar. She saw him, walking around, walked off all happy and everything for some reason, and with his collar blinking, but she couldn't see in the dark, like, and so she did not see Big Mama laying there and what he had done. And they're very irresponsible. They just let their dog go. I don't know what the laws are here, but it's just ridiculous. So, and it was a few days apart. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm sorry. Let's, I'm gonna eat now. I'm sorry. But anyways, how are you? What are you going through? And one of you, Karen. Hi, Karen. I'm sorry that your friend is 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 going through what she's going through. I'll have to go back to your message to see exactly what you said, but I'm very sorry, and I'm glad you've been able to be on the phone with her to comfort her, pray with her, lead her to her spirit. That's wonderful. Um, and thank you all for your prayers and everything. So, bye. Chicken. Yeah, be careful. I don't eat too much chicken because I have kidney disease. Mm. That one of the neighbor kids, the kids that belong in that house that have that dog. It was the same one lives there that we caught pissing in our yard, taking a piss in our yard. And then because my mom told him to, piss in his own bathroom, to go home and piss in his own bathroom. I don't know if it's a coincidence or whatever, but wait a minute. Then maybe next day or two, we woke up to one of our my mom's fences up uh demolished. Just right after she told that kid to don't piss in her yard, go home and piss in his own bathroom. Yeah. And it's their dog that killed our cat last night. This is good. I didn't know what I was going to eat today for lunch. And I don't have money to order anything. And I'm not gonna keep spending my money on DoorDash and Grubhub. I'm done. I don't want to be. This is mostly lettuce. And I'm sorry to the one. You have to look back at my comments. I lost and I had to put down her cat recently. Very sorry for your loss. You're not alone, and feel free to, comment, and we can have a conversation back and forth. It'd be like, oh, on TikTok, my name on my TikTok now is just Becca. So on TikTok, follow me. Anyways, hey Triple T, I'm sorry I missed your live. I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. My nose is a little stuffy. I've been crying a lot. Oh, and be careful when you do cry. Did you know you can dehydrate yourself by crying? I'm like, yeah, you can. Wow. Yeah. It's crazy. Mm. I have no idea what I'm gonna have for dinner. But don't take for granted people and the animals that you have in your life. The good people and the good animals that you have in your life, the good creatures. As long as they're gone, they're gone. Okay. Once they're gone, they're gone. You're not getting them back. I mean, the people, eventually you'll see them again when God comes back. But the animals, I don't know. I mean, it does say in the Bible that, the lion sleeps with the lamb, lays with the lamb in peace. But does that mean you also will get back all the animals that you have lost and loved in your past? I don't know. I do not know. I need more ranch. I will be right back. Oh, honey, you okay? Cookie, my cookie, are you okay, honey? My sweet cookie. Okay. When my money comes, I am getting that taken care of. Like, I don't want my cat to have. Lord Jesus, oh Fuzzy Butt, I wish she would come in and she would let us pet you. Ugh. Well, guys, I think I'm going to save this for some other time. And thank you for a little bit later with my other stuff. Thank you for joining me and eating with me. May the Lord be with your spirit. And again, thank you for your support, for watching. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.